Hey queens, hey princesses, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I am back at it again with another freaking video. So I know it's been a minute, but I am back, and I just wanted to do a quick little video on how to maintain, I don't know, I guess boho slash I might say goddess braids, because I kind of have like a hybrid going on. But I love this hairstyle, the new trending hairstyle. You know, all of my black queens are getting it this summer. Most of us are getting it, and it's just the box braids with little curly. Let me show you these, with the curly pieces on the end. So yeah, see that? See these curly pieces on the braid. So you can kind of see a mixture of both, like my actual braid and the actual curly pieces. So I wouldn't call it the BOHO braids, but I'll definitely call them goddess slash boho braids, because it's kind of even them out. So you even them out of the curls, so you even out of the boho, the braid, the actual braid itself. So yeah, I do really love this hairstyle. I would do a pros and cons. Sorry, let me get those. I would do a pros and cons video, and what's the difference between boho, goddess, BOHO braids, my tips and tricks on this hairstyle, and how to keep your curls nice and luscious. It's low maintenance, high maintenance. I will give y'all in-depth video, a sit down with pictures and everything in the next upcoming video. Might be the next upcoming video, or it's the Bath and Body Works video, but it'll be coming up soon. But this video was just mainly on how to maintain this hair, because I know a lot of girls are getting it this summer, maintaining it, and how to maintain it. I will definitely getting this hairstyle again, but I'm gonna do it with human hair soon, so we'll see. But yeah, this is a synthetic. Oh, you see the curly piece right there. It is a synthetic. It's a mixture synthetic. I think it's a mixture of synthetic and real. It's like I'll put the pack here. I think it's a blend, or it might be purely synthetic. I don't remember. But yeah, I do love my hair, and I really love this hairstyle. I will do again an in-depth video, but this is just how I maintain it, how I keep the curls nice and bouncy. If you want how I style my boho braids, let me know in the comment section below, and I will tell you how I style it. But in this video, it's just mainly how I maintain it. I didn't do any styling, I just wear it down. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you babe loved today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media platforms at Queen Cierra _slay. And now I'm back and I'm better than ever. So there's some exciting videos coming up. I love you queens to the moon and back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Alright babe, so let's get started. Do not know what happened to all my clips. I brought a whole big old pack of clips, and I could not find it for this video. So I would suggest you have clips on hand. I did, and I just wanted to get this video out for you babes, but I just flipped my hair over. It was easy if you have clips, but I did not. But anyway, I miss you babes, and let's get started into today's video. Alright, so first I'm using a spray bottle. I would suggest when using the spray bottle, get a fine mist spray bottle. I would insert a picture of here, because the spray bottle that my hair store had, it's like the nozzle is just so, I don't like it. So I don't even know how to pronounce it. I don't know how to describe it, not pronounce it, but describe it. But I don't like it. It just shoots. It just shoots everywhere. So I don't like it. But I would suggest you detangle the hair section by section, and it's leave-in conditioner also in our bottle. It's water, it's leave-in conditioner. Get a nice deep conditioner. I think it's melatonin extra deep conditioner. use that diluted with the water in a spray bottle. Detangle my hair with a detangling brush, working my way from the bottom to the top. And then I put in this curly mousse. This is specifically for curly hair. A curly hair mousse is super hold enriched with argan oil. And that also hydrates the curl on top with a deep conditioner. I just sprayed on the hair as well. Depending on how many curly pieces you have, you can brush the whole braid, or you can just lift the braid up and comb out the curly pieces as well. This hair does shed. I'm gonna tell you this again, this hair does shed, but it's really beautiful in a very inexpensive way. If you don't want to use your human hair, get you some synthetic. Also use this hair grease, extra light hair grease from Doom, and I put that all over my scalp, what I'm doing right now, just to make sure my scalp is moisturized. When you have braids, make sure you still moisturize your hair, okay? And my hair looked really pretty. It's just up close it was a little stringy, like the curls wasn't popping like it should be. So now I'm curling it depending on the knot in my hair. In this hair I'm showing you, the hair does shed. I will insert some pictures as well, like balls, like when I'm doing my whole head, that's how much hair sheds. Also, some of my curly pieces do slip out, but I'm gonna talk about that in another video about different hair methods on how to get curly hair. And yeah, so after I'm done detangling the section, moussing it up, I twist it, and then we're gonna twist it all in the bun, and I'm gonna show you how it looks in the morning. It looks so pretty. The curls are popping. My hair is dry, so the curls are holding its shape, but it tangles. It tangles and it sheds. So yeah, it's a very high maintenance. I feel like it's more high maintenance because it's synthetic, and because when you have synthetic hair, you know, it's a lot. So I think it's more high maintenance. I feel like this hair would be a little low maintenance, a little more low maintenance if you had human hair. Because if you just had human hair, all you had to do was get some water and a spray bottle with a little bit of conditioner in it, spray your hair, brush the hair out, and then twist it up. Twist it in 2 plaits or 4, depending on how tight you want the curl to be, and that's it. Or you can throw some rollers in there or flexi rods, and you'll be good to go. So I definitely want to try it with human hair and see how long the braids will last and how the curly pieces maintain, just to do like a little experiment, do a compare and contrast. In my hair I did use about 2 full packs of this synthetic hair. So yeah, I'm having a whole in-depth video about it, about this boho braids. Do I like them? Do I don't like them? What hairstyle is best for you? Boho, goddess, mermaid braids, Bora Bora braids. There's so many, and you get it in so many different colors, so many different inches, which is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna throw it up into a pineapple, and then that's it. I was wearing makeup that day, so I literally do this every night to make sure my hair looks pretty in the morning. Because if I don't, baby girl, it's a bowl. It's a bowl. It's a bowl of mats. Okay, and I was just on the phone while I was talking to my mother. That's why I'm just talking. But yeah, and I'm gonna throw it up in a pineapple, and then that's it. Cause you're paralytic and you look pathetic, and all the good memories you will forget it. Life is a journey. I just wanna enjoy the ride. What is the hurry? It's pretty early. It's okay. Alright, it's the next day, and I'm just gonna use this. I'm starting to like this, but I still want to experiment with a couple more different edge controls because I'm a very oily, sweaty person. But this is the Shiso Balm Collection Fast Drying Edge Control for relaxing natural hair. So I'm just going to use my toothbrush, swoop these edges, swoop them back, and then my pink shining spray. Spray it out all over, and then the hair is done. I took it down out the plaits and out the bun, It's the next day. I'm about to go to work, and look at that. The curls are popping. The hair is popping. Like, you can tell that the curls are so defined. They're not matted up. Like, they look good. It looks good. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, queens to the moon and back, and I will see you next video.